Step 1. Locate the main water shutoff valve. This is what turns off the water supply in your home. This can be found in multiple areas. Step 2. Drain the water lines. You can do this by opening a faucet that is below the level of the toilet valve that you're replacing. This allows excess water to drain out of the water lines above it, including the toilet line you are working on. Step 3. Disconnect the supply line. This is the hose that supplies water to the toilet. Step 4. Remove the old toilet shutoff valve. In this case, Adam is able to twist it off with a wrench, but sometimes it can depend on the type of joint that it has, compression or copper. Step 5. Clean off the copper pipe. The pipe had a ton of corrosion on it, which is why Adam is taking the time to make sure it has a clean slate before adding on the new toilet valve. Step 6. Add pipe sealant to the pipe and to the new shutoff valve. This ensures that there will be no way for the valve to leak once the water supply is turned back on. Step 7. Solder the valve to the pipe. This isn't always necessary, but in this case it is because we're dealing with copper plumbing. If you're not familiar with soldering, it's probably best to have a professional plumber handle the replacement. Otherwise, you'll need to replace it with a compression connection instead to avoid the soldering. Here's a final look at the toilet shutoff valve replacement. The final steps include attaching the toilet supply line and turning the water back on in the home. After that, you're good to go.